Let's break down the pronunciation of the word wolf slowly. Wolf, pronounced as wolf. The W is a voiced labiovelar approximant, produced by rounding the lips and bringing the back of the tongue close to the velum. The sounds like the U in cup. The combines the L sound, a voiced alveolar lateral approximant, with the F sound, a voiceless labiodental fricative. For the W sound, round your lips and produce a voiced sound by creating a narrow opening between the lips. For the sound, keep your mouth relaxed and produce a short neutral sound. For the sound, combine the L sound by allowing the sides of your tongue to touch the alveolar ridge with the F sound by pressing your upper teeth against your lower lip and blowing air. Let's start with the W sound. Round your lips and produce a voiced labiovelar approximant. W. Students, practice the W sound. Now the sound. Keep your mouth relaxed and produce a short, neutral Practice the sound. Good. Now the L sound. Combine the L sound with the F sound. Wolf. Now let's put it all together. Wolf. Practice the full word. Now let's say it together. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf is a carnivorous mammal known for its social behavior and howling communication. Wolves are often found in packs and play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance.